What you feed can become your reality. Years ago, I got off the toilet and I saw there was blood. So, as a young guy, I went to my mother and eventually we went to the doctor. The doctor put a camera up my ass and he told my mother it looked like a stress related ulcer. And he said it was very rare for a young man. And that was the first time I've ever heard the word anxiety. In our days growing up, we didn't hear about, there wasn't this stress and anxiety thing. And something clicked in me. I decided right there that that word would not own me. Dark seasons are real, pressure is real, but anxiety as an identity, no. Depression as an identity, never. If you keep repeating a word long enough, you start living inside it. I refuse to. For 20 years, I haven't built a life around those labels. You feel things, fine. But the moment you declare it as who you are, you make it permanent. Some things are storms, and storms always pass.